Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Rick and Morty character, and this time it's gonna be King Flippy Nips. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're gonna draw his eyes first, which is gonna be just two big circles. So we're just gonna draw two big circles kind of close to each other. And then in the middle, we're just gonna draw kind of like a little plus sign, slightly curved. Okay, and then we're gonna draw the outside, just kind of outline his eyeballs. Okay, and then from there, we're just gonna connect this two line here for the top. And then now we're gonna come down and draw his mouth. So it's just gonna be one big, almost like a line, grin, but then we're gonna give it some thickness. And it's gonna be open mouth. Okay, and then from there we can draw some of his teeth. So I'm just gonna start from the middle. I'll just draw a couple around it on the other side. So we'll draw here. And you can draw in more teeth. I think he has more, but I'm just gonna put in this. I don't wanna draw too many, okay? And then from there, we're gonna draw right underneath here. Just kind of outline the mouth area. Okay, and then now we can actually finish up the face. So it's just gonna be, just starting outside a little bit more. It's just gonna be the same shape as that. So we're just outlining what we had earlier. So it's really simple. Okay, so that's pretty much his face. So we're gonna draw his crown. So right up here, we're just gonna come up. And on this side, we're gonna come up as well. All right, and then right here, just gonna draw two lines like that. Just give it a little bit of space. And then from here, we can go up. Draw like a little bulb shape on the top. So we're gonna go up. Okay, and then one more in the middle. So we're gonna draw two lines going up. And one more bulb shape. And then for the ones on the back, so we're just gonna draw two lines. And then it's just gonna be a little bit shorter than the other ones, okay? So that you can see that it's behind because it's kind of tilted back. Okay, and then from there, it's got those, I don't know what these are. They're just, I don't think they're hair, but I don't know what it is. Maybe like feathers. Okay, so three. So three on this side as well. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah, the character designs from the Rick and Morty shows are really odd, so I'm sorry if I don't even know what that is, but it seems like a cool looking character. Okay, so from down here, it's gonna have a little pin, so we're just gonna draw a circle. And then we're gonna draw inside another circle. And then from there, he's got that cape around it, so we're just gonna curve it, just curve to the pin. And there's gonna be some folds, so we'll just draw some lines. Okay, and then from there, let's draw his body. So we're gonna come down. We're just gonna come down on the side. Okay, just two lines like that, and then on the inside, just one big kind of like a U shape. And we're not gonna draw the legs now. We're gonna draw his arms first. So from here, now we're gonna go out. Just two curves, real simple. Close it off. Just come down, and there's gonna be a little bit of an angle here for his little wristband. And now for his hand, curve. One finger, and this one looks like his thumb. Okay, and it's got a little bit of curve here. Okay, now on the other side, curve, close it, come out a little bit. Again, a little bit of angle. close it. And then this one's gonna be open. So he's got 3 fingers, 1, 2, 3. All right, so let's move on to his legs. So right here, we're gonna draw another line, just kind of leave 2 spaces open for his legs. So now we can come down and close it off. And then this is another band, so we're gonna close that off. And now for his foot, it's really easy. So come down and then just kind of make a little bit, 2 little angles like that. All right, and then on the other side, same thing. So we're gonna come down, close it off, band, down, and then same thing, just 2 little angles. And then we gotta draw to see the cape. So just kind of come down, just can give it a little bit of waviness to it so that it looks like cloth. And then we're gonna wave it all the way across. And that's it for this King Flippy Nips character from Rick and Morty. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up and I will see you next time.